Hi guys, so today my mom bought me a anime stuff, so just four things. And so yeah, the first I will start off for Zoro is bracelet. Yeah, no, wait, get close. Zoro. Then now, I know you love Luffy, right? So my mom bought me a Luffy case. And it comes with a keychain. Gear 5 Luffy. So let's get opening. I also have my phone right here. It's my phone. Look at that. That's cool. And here's the case. And here's the thing. Bah! Let me open it so that I can see it more clear. Look at Gear 5 Luffy. Now, this is the biggest giant thing. Look at this poster. I bet you can't see my face. Yeah, let's get opening. I know you like it. Let's get opening. Right here. Look at that. And it says 30000. That's 1,000. So yeah, guys. So you want to see the reveal of Luffy? Luffy is case and keychain. Yeah, I don't know why it's cracked. So now let me put the anime case on. Look at Luffy. Dang, man, this fire. Happy. I see you guys next time. Bye, guys.